I earned a good sum in a month trading only in the mornings before work, no more than 20 minutes a day. This was texted to me by one of my followers. I always check my direct messages on Telegram, read everything, reply to everyone, but the most interesting messages inspire me to do something new, fresh, and great. Imagine I achieved more than I achieved in my normal work, but the most important thing was to combine normal work with trading. Nia, could you accept this challenge and make a guide for trading in the morning? I love challenges. I would say that's my weakness, but not in a reckless way. Something like, Nia, could you bet 1 million on the black color in the casino? Well, no, only when it requires strategic thinking and when I can be a mentor to you. So, this video is for those who are afraid to break out of their routine and dive right into trading. You are in the right place. We're going to see early trading because every morning doesn't start with coffee. Well, let's do a little bit of trading before we get to work. Now, some of my followers are probably in shock. What did you say? Work? Do you have a job? Well, yes, I have a main job. I mentor in my Telegram channel and here on YouTube. Unlike the stock market, most over-the-counter markets operate 24 hours a day. It's very convenient. You just have to choose the time of the day when you want to work, something that fits your style and your schedule. It can be during bedtime, during lunch, but I choose to work in the morning. Well, in the morning when you only wake up and still fresh. I like the concept of the one that starts earlier, finishes earlier. I didn't expect my Telegram channel to take off like this, and in fact, I didn't even invest in promotion or anything. I'm just trying to do what's best for my followers. No junk content, no advertising, no old strategy, no unverified information. And that's why both experts and beginners trust me. Some beginners don't even try to understand. They just trade with me, have fun, and always benefit with profit. Pause the video and go to the link in the description because you might forget it. Okay, let's get started then. We open the platform. Someone recently asked me why I avoid trading the shares of market giants. It almost offended me because only someone who doesn't pay attention could ask those kinds of questions. Today, we're adding Tesla and Microsoft shares, big enough for you, to our morning menu. Okay, let's take 25. Sure, we could start with a simple 5, but if you've seen how I do it, if not, check my Telegram channel. Well, today's approach is going to be different. There is no time for long-distance races. We are running out of time and need clear, simple, and predictable results. So, will the RSI indicator help us today? It's very simple, but that's why it's so effective. If you have experience and understand the market, the RSI is basically all you need. And if you have no experience or understanding, it will be even easier because I'm all you need. Let's start with the Tesla stock. Here we have the RSI, which is in the oversold area. I think we need to wait for a bounce up now. So we go up and wait. Ooh, that's great. The rebound was small, but we don't need more. This is a great move and it has already given us $46. Let's move on to Microsoft now. Well, it's pretty clear here as well. A slight dip after which you can guess a growth. Increase the amount. The RSI also suggests that. Let's not waste any time. Trading doesn't stop. I have competitors, okay? Competitors. That sounds a little loud. I always keep going because I invest, test, and publish new things. Not some advice from 3 years ago or something. I don't get strategies from the internet, but I get them from books and exclusive training geniuses in the market. I adapt them to be as understandable as possible for my beginners and those who are good with numbers. Join my channel and take a look at the community I've built. Many heard about the topic of trading that same day they joined and still left with good results. Take a second and pause the video before you forget it. Click on the link in the description and subscribe for more convenience. Besides, I also left it in the first comment posted, so it doesn't get lost. Alright, folks, Already $89 are in the balance. What's next? Remember, my goal is minimal and risky. Can you imagine if things screw up now in a trading session and I go to work in disgust? No. Here we take what has the least risk. Let's take a look at the next couple. Well, the picture here also seems clear and predictable. We've seen a natural upward movement. The RSI indicator shows a strong oversold moment. I think we should take advantage of the up phase right now. That's a good start. That's a great way to start the day. We are increasing the amount of our investment. So we haven't touched this currency pair yet. I see that after the correction, an upward movement has begun. Well, let's get on with it. And yes, guys, we've made the right decision. Yes, by the way, I wanted to say it. Sorry if my sessions don't look like something like, oh my God, how much I earned. It's a miracle for me. Trading is experience, clear and understandable indicators, code calculations, and predictable results. Most of my subscribers understand that. But hey, it's good to say it out loud from time to time. I think you understand that too. We've already had in total over $300 in our balance. That's a good morning start. I could close my laptop and go to work in a good mood, but I didn't get up early and I still have much time. Let's keep looking. We have the option to choose 2 couples and 2 actions. There is no need to sit back and wait for the image to become clear. We just move between them in searching a better time. So let's test Microsoft. We're moving down here as I see that we are encountering a resistance level. And it's a great success, friends. We take our profits, increase our investment amount, and look beyond. Well, let's just stay here anyway. We can open a short position as soon as the correction will be completed. I can't tell all about my trading on YouTube, so I have my Telegram channel. There you will find detailed strategies and their analysis, as well as live sessions where we operate together. It's ideal for beginners, so relax and follow me and you'll have guaranteed benefits. The link is here below in the video, in the description, and in the posted comment. Subscribe and don't miss out the opportunity to take your life to another level. Whether it's to travel more, buy your mom a country house, or leave that job you have, that boring job you have, the link is in the description and in the first comment posted. And yes, our investment was predicted without any errors. But we must be vigilant and not make very impulsive moves. Increasing the amount of our deal, guys, we're back where we were because the move is in a narrow channel, and here I'm entering from the lower boundary, pushing up. If the trend was right, the truth is that bragging about this is almost ridiculous. It was too obvious for a moment. It looked like the chart was going to go down, but the larger picture clearly shows an upward trend. If you want to learn how to read graphics as quickly as I do, it's totally possible in a very short time, but you need a good mentor, so congratulations, you already found it. If you don't want to miss the opportunity, send me a direct message right now to Telegram and we will be in touch. The link to my Telegram will be below in the description of this video and in the first comment posted. Here we go, guys. What about Tesla? We'll see. After the correction, the RSI bounced off the midline and it looks like the downtrend will continue. The perfect move is another successful move. All right, what do we do? Again, there is no need to take any chances. We need to look at where the trends are. It's absolutely clear. So what's happening in the Chinese market? I see that the price has reached a resistance level here and the RSI indicator is in the oversold area. Therefore, we expect a change in our trend. I had a good time without pauses, step by step, And the truth is that I'm reaching my limit. With each step, the responsibility gets bigger and bigger. So thoughts like no unintentionally arise, and in no way can I ruin my success with an impulsive move. Yeah, guys, our deal is closing in the plus. Let's open one more trade. Let's quote Microsoft. Here we are opening up to the downside. As I can see, we're encountering a resistance level. Yes, now the morning can be considered complete. Let's see, 9,000. I think it was worth spending about 15 to 20 minutes. The experiment was very interesting. Even if someone only has half an hour a day with my instructions, it's more than enough to multiply the initial capital. In the process, a not so obvious advantage emerged from this type of trading. Is there in your mind what else I can do? What else I can achieve in these minutes? Well, I don't have much time. I'm totally focused. This is different from a standard 6 to 8 hour trading day. There are fewer sessions and performance is lower. But these are only 10 to 15 minutes of your time. Productivity is higher than the average per hour standard mode, and you have all day left to do other things. Dude, if this isn't your dream job, then I don't know what else to dream about. Like, about what? The quiet life of a millionaire quickly gets boring. Or maybe if it's not about the millions. Or sometimes you just want a boring job with no ambitions and a simple salary. Nah, that's a lie. I'm joking. A Ferrari or a Lamborghini is only a short-term goal or even a consequence. The result of moving towards a really important goal. And what can be more important is personal freedom and risk-free security without attempts to trap happiness in dubious transactions and things like that. That's not my style or yours. All my trades are visible in my Telegram channel. If you want to be the captain of your own ship and not just an aimless passenger, then join us. I already put the link in the description for more convenience. I also put it in the first comment posted. It's time to become the captain of this trip.